Are you familiar with the saying, the devil is in the details? That applies to video as well. Hi, I'm Ken with LearningZen, and in this video, we're going to go over one of those details, how to add sound effects during a transition in Camtasia. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video or any of the videos on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll be coming out with new videos every week. Now, this video was specially requested by Mohammed Kavash. So thank you, Mohammed. And if I got that wrong, I truly apologize. If you have a suggestion or a request for a Camtasia how-to, go ahead and drop it in the comments. We'll get working on it as soon as we can. Now, sound effects during a transition might sound very subtle, and it is. It's almost like a subconscious thing. It's like oxygen. You don't realize you need it until you don't have it. It's almost one of those things that the viewer doesn't notice, but if it wasn't there, they would. So let's get into how to add a sound effect during a transition. All right, so here we are inside Camtasia 2022, and I have already brought my assets in, just import media, brought my assets in. They're all sitting in the media bin. Now, with your assets, since we're talking about sound effects, and I also have a music bed in here, please make sure that you're either using your own sound effects, royalty-free sites, or licensed sound effects. Just let's do everything on the up and up, okay? Cool. We're all creators. Let's not kind of ourselves, all right? Okay, so I have these two videos of a forest down here on my timeline. And we'll just run through. You'll see it goes just an aerial, and then it kind of starts to turn counterclockwise. And then the next one comes in, and it's basically the autumn version, and it starts to turn clockwise. So when I saw this, I said to myself, this looks like the seasons changing. So how can we represent the seasons changing, not only visually, but auditorily as well? Wow, that's a big word. So I went out and found a wind sound effect, and I'll mix this in with a transition. So I have my wind sound effect down here on my timeline, and I also have a music bed underneath. Just keep in mind with your audio, you're always kind of setting the mood, setting the feel for what the viewer is seeing. All right, so let me just throw the cans on here and we will run this through one time. So just a winter wind coming through. I don't love the way it just cuts off at the end. So the way we can adjust that, we'll just make a couple of adjustments to this. I'm going to get an audio effect over here on my toolbar on the left. I'm going to select the fade out. I'm going to bring it right down and drop it onto my wind. And I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. Just play this through one more time. That's better, just kind of fades out. Now, let's add that transition again back to the tool menu over here on the left, and I'm going to transitions. And for this one, I'm going to do a morph. So I'll drag that down onto the timeline, and I'm going to expand the transition a little bit. And let's just see how this looks. It's almost like an audible announcement to your audience, hello, something's changing. So that's just one example of how to add a sound effect during a transition. I have one real quick one to show you right here. And this is you're changing almost a mood. So not only did we add a sound effect during the transition, we also changed the music. And so let's run this through real quick. So you're just changing the complete feel of everything. So those are just a couple of examples of how to add a sound effect during a transition and how it can impact your video. All right, thank you again for watching. Remember, if you liked the video, go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll see you next week. Until then, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya.